Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter. We are here today with our crystal art set advent calendar by Craft Buddy. So far, we have added 4 ornaments to our metal tree here. I'm so excited. These are such fun projects. So quick, simple, and easy. I love it. I get home at the end of work and I can spend 10 minutes and put together these cute little ornaments. So if you are looking for a great advent for next year, I think they sold out for this year. You might be able to check their website, but HSN was sold out of them. You might want to try to grab this for next year because it is a blast. Ooh, cool. The candy cane. So I have this theory going, does the ornament match? It doesn't, but there is a candy cane over here under day 9. So I'm hoping that all the different images are hints of what may be in here. All right, we're going to get started doing this one. Looks like we might have 2 or 3 colors here that we're dealing with today. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And they always give you so many extra gems. I've been adding them onto some of my art impressions projects, so you'll see those if you check out my art impressions videos. So you'll see reusing some of these gems. I do have an electronic machine that picks these up with air. I love it. The link is in the bio description below. It's from Amazon. My mom turned me onto it, so I'm absolutely in love with it. But it does make a little bit of noise, so I'm just going to turn some music on, enjoy, and follow along. So I found if I don't seal these up right away and I put them in the bag that they came in, they kind of spill all over the place and it makes a bigger mess. So I have decided to just tape them closed, take those couple seconds and do that. It helps me so much in the long run. And this is, I think it's called the Best Ever tape. It's from Spellbinders. It is my absolute favorite. They have like 3 different widths. I use it for masking. I use it when I'm die cutting things. It's absolutely amazing. If you don't have it, I highly recommend it. I will see if I can find a link and put it in the description box below. But it is awesome, awesome, awesome. So we have now finished day 5, this cute little candy cane. I love how they even give you some accent colors. So the light pink kind of on the inside and then the red everywhere else. It is so super cute. And there we go. We are now on day 5 of this amazing advent. Quick, simple, and so much fun. Thank you so much for joining along. I'll see you tomorrow.